Okay, good evening, good evening, good evening. So, this is Yoram Swale, and this is the question that came in Additional Mathematics 2021 for the internal candidates. So, this is question 9. We are going to solve it. As we can see there, we've been given a sketch composed of a line that is y is equals to 1 over 2x and a curve that is y is equals to root x. So the first question is saying find the coordinates of A. So to find the coordinates of A for this particular question, what you need to do is you need to identify the point where it is found. So we can see that A, it is here, A, it is there. Then what are we going to do? We are going to make sure that to solve for A, these are solutions. These are solutions. To solve for A, since these two lines, they are perpendicular. They are meeting here. They are meeting here at one point, that is A. So to solve for those coordinates, I'm going first to write them here. Y, I have y is equals to 1 over 2x. Then I have also have y is equals to the square root of x. So to solve that one, the next step that I'm going to do is to equate these to each other. So I'm simply going to say 1 over 2x is equals to the root of x there. So for me to kill this square root, I'm going to square. Even on this side, I square. Then when I multiply half x multiplied by 2, it will be 1 over 4x squared is equals to this, and that will go, I will remain with x. So this is 1 over 4x squared. This will go to the other side, which is x. Then on the right hand side, I'm going to remain with 0. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see what is common here, since I'm having a quadratic equation. So it is a x, I'll factor it out, 1 over 4. Here I'll remain with 1x. Then minus here, when I remove x, I'll remain with 1 equals to 0, because x times 1, it will be x. X times 1 over 4x, it will give me that. So my first value of x will be x is 0. Then or 1 over 4x minus 1 is 0. So I'm going to say 1 over 4x, this one will go there to the constant number, which is the like term to it. So I'm going to have is equals to positive 1, because 0 plus 1 is simply 1. Then I'm going to divide with 1 over 4 on both sides. So dividing 1 over 4 on both sides, or any fraction that you've been given, it's same as getting the denominator of that fraction and multiplying it throughout. So 4 times 1 over 4, it's simply 4 cancel 4. Then I'm going to remain with 1 times x, it is x equals to 1. 4 times 1, it is 4. So I will say, okay, I have x is 0. Then I also have x is 4. So when I look at this curve that I've been given here, exactly here, they can be 4 here. Get it as the value of x. Then let me look for the corresponding value of y here, where it is intersecting with x. So to find that, what I'm going to do, I can simply use any of these two given y functions. So I'll say, I'll use both so that people can see to say the value of y should give you the same. I'll start with 1 over 2. Where there's x, I put a 4. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2 times 1. So y is 2. Then let me also use the other one here. What I'm going to do is it's y is equals to, what is the value of x? It will be the square root of 4. So this is going to be positive or negative 2. But look, since here y, like from the origin going up, y is positive, and that's where this value of y is intersecting with the x. Therefore, the value of y should be a positive 2. So then to say, okay, y should be a positive 2, because y up there, y up, it is positive. So what I'm going to say, okay, therefore, the coordinates of A are 4, 2. Those are the coordinates of A. Okay, those are the coordinates of A. So that was A, solution. Then we go to B. So B reads, find the volume obtained by rotating the shaded region through 360 degrees about the x-axis. Rotating, so it is in the clockwise direction here. It is in the clockwise direction. So the volume for this one is given by V is equals to pi multiplied by y2 squared minus y1 squared dx. Now here, a candidate must be very careful to identify which one is the y1, which one is the y2. So remember, this one can only be obtained by clearly analyzing the given what? Curve. When you look at the curve here, the value of y which is above the other, it is always y2. The line which is below the other line, it is y1. So here I can say this y is equals to root x. It is this one which is on top. So it will be my y2. So I identify this to say, okay, this is my y2. Then this is my y1. Then I'll say, okay, let me go back to my formula here. Let me go back to my formula. I'll say volume is equals to pi or multiplied by, what is y2? y2, it is root x, like that, squared minus what is y1? y1, it is 1 over 2x, like that, squared dx, because we are differentiating by respecting x. We are integrating, sorry, with respect to x. So this is pi. This and that will go. So we are going to remain with x minus this is same as 1 over 4x2 when you distribute it to inside. Then like that. Then here we can start integrating. We have forgotten the integral here. There must be an integral of x1 then x2. So here there will be an integral of 0 to 4. Here there will be an integral of 4, then 0 there. Okay. So I've started integrating. So this will simply be a pi. Then where there's x, I'll start integrating to say x1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 4. Then this is x, then 2, 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, like that, then 0 to 4, those limits, the one I'm integrating with respect to. So this is simply pi, don't forget, this is x per 3 over 3 minus 1 over 4, then x per 3 over 3. Oh, this is 2. This is 2, 1 plus 1, it is 2. Then this is 0, then that is 4. Then here you have to substitute here. The lower limit, the upper limit you substitute, then you subtract with the lower limit. So what I'm going to say is this is equals to pi. I start with the upper limit. So it will be 4 squared over 2 minus 1 over 4. Then where there is x, I'll put 4 divided by 3. Then I'll say minus. When I put 0 everywhere here, the whole thing, the entire thing will be 0. So here I'll put 0. Then pi, This 4 squared, it is 16 over 2 minus 4 here, it's same as 1 over 4, then times 4 times 4, like that, then everything divided by 3. Then this is pi, you do like this, 2 into 16, it is 8 minus 4 and 4 will cancel. 1, negative 1 times 4, it will be a negative 4 over what? 3, like that. Then this is pi, then this is 8. Okay, here there's already a negative, so this one, there's no need. So this will be minus 4 over 3, like that. You can get the common denominator here, 3. This is pi multiplied by, this is same as multiplying 3 times 4, it is a 24 minus 4 over 3, like that. So this is same as pi multiplied by 24 minus this, it is simply a 20 over 3, like that. Then this is pi multiplied by 20 over 3. Then this will simply be 20 over 3 pi. Since it is the volume, it will be cubed. There, it will be cubed. So you can further divide this, which is 18. 3 into here, it is 18. 3 into 20. 3 into 20, it's simply 3 into 19 into 18, sorry. What times, how many times does it go? So it should be give me a 6 point, let me just write it properly. This is equals to 6.67 pi power 3. So that was the volume obtained by rotating the shaded region from this given question about 360 degrees by the x-axis. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I keep on posting some more mathematics question, even for grade 12's mathematics syllabus D. Thank you.